Hey folks, Andy here from BRS Battery. Well, I decided to give you guys a little bonus here. So what we're going to do, if you order our combos, meaning the battery maintainer and a battery on our website, and or one of our pumps with a gas tank combo, because you can order the pump separately, but if you order it with the gas tank, what I'm going to do is throw in a couple of things you can hook up on your keychains for your ATVs and snowmobiles. I know it saved my life a few times. So one thing I use constantly is this little flashlight. It just basically clips onto your keys. So if you're ever stuck in the bush or whatnot, you have a light. I know for myself, I use it constantly at night to try to find the keyhole in my truck or the snowmobile. And again, nice little feature. If you have light, you need fire, obviously. So this is a permanent match. So what you do, you fill it up with butane, and if you're stuck in the bush, it lights up every time. So basically, survival, right? I know it saved my life once. We won't go there with the story though. But yeah, it's free of charge. So if you come into the store here in Chelmsford, we do sell the kits by themselves. And or if you order online, one of our combos, we'll throw it in free of charge. Go check it out.